In this video, I'm going to show you how to use invite codes in Marvel Rivals. Marvel Rivals invite codes allows players to access the game, especially during closed beta testing or early access periods. If you've received an invite code or want to share one, here's a step-by-step guide on how to find. First is get an invite code. Invite codes can be obtained in several ways, including receive an invite from a friend, watching Twitch drops, or checking in official Marvel Rivals promotions. Second is to find your invite codes. This is only for existing players. If you're already playing Marvel Rivals and want to invite a friend, follow these steps to locate your invite code. First is to reach level 6. Many invite codes are only available after hitting level 6 in the game. Second is to go on to main menu. The Promotions tab under the settings, where invite codes are listed. Copy the code and share it. Once you find the code, you can send it to your friends or post it in the gaming groups. Third is to redeem an invite code. If you've received an invite code and want to use it, follow these steps. First, log into your Marvel Rivals account. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Go to Redeem Code sections, go on Settings, Promotions, the official Marvel Rivals website under Redeem Code page. Enter the invite code. Carefully type or paste the code into the box and confirm. Claim your rewards or access. If the code is valid, you should gain access to the game or receive in-game benefits. Thank you for watching.